information herein. Your ear problems are over with this. I can assure you that most of us, when you have felt a nuisance somewhere in the body, our grandmother comes to the rescue and recommends us to try some kind of remedy. And they all work because these remedies carry natural ingredients that have been used for many years. Well, so that you do not miss this custom, we introduce you to a series of grandmother's remedies that work perfectly, all easy to apply and serve many situations. Remedies of grandmothers who work very well. 1. Raisins for arthritis. To reduce the ailment of arthritis, you should drench raisins that are well browned overnight in a container with a couple of tablespoons of gin. The vitamins and minerals of these raisins combined with Geneva will help with the pains of arthritis and reduce inflammation. Watch out for the excess of gin. That we can get drunk and cure the hangover, we will need another call to know the remedies of the grandmother and a lot of chicken soup. 2. Celery for bad breath. Celery has positive effects on our breath. So much so, it is more effective than a pack of chewing gum. Only chew a celery daily and bad breath will be a thing of the past. 3. Lemons that relieve ear pain. It seems strange, but the lemon has a healing effect on our ears. Squeeze some lemon juice and keep for a minute. This can ease your ear pain. Lemon juice helps to level the pH in the walls of the ear by renewing them instantly. 4. Nettle to heal hair loss. Some scientific articles conclude that nettle leaf contains high levels of proteins, calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, beta-carotene and high amounts of vitamins A, C, D and complex B, essential vitamins for hair. So if we want to look radiant hair, the nettle leaf can